Gary, we offer classes by Skype to students in the United States everywhere to prepare the SAT exam. We started years ago with students in Europe, giving them classes by Skype, and we were pretty good. We had like 1,400 over 1,600, 90%. Nowadays, although we live in the United States, or our teachers live in Spain or Bolivia, Egypt, and Israel, we have a lot of students who by Skype have classes with us, and they live in California, in Los Angeles, or New York, Florida, wherever they live. We're perfectly bilingual. I speak Spanish and English, so I teach a lot of American kids. I live here in the States, and I also teach people in South America and in Spain. We have other teachers who live in the States but speak German, Hebrew, Egyptian, Koreano, or Korean. We guarantee 1,400. We're experts on the math. We'll teach it to you in a way that is easy to remember, okay? We're not looking for people who want to go to Harvard or Berkeley or Stanford. Our students want to go to good universities. They just want to break this thing. This thing with math is difficult for them, the reading and the writing. We'll help you. We'll speak to you in simple terms, and when we're done, you'll get that 1,400, which is 90%. With that score, you could go to really good universities like Columbia University, University of Pennsylvania. We've put people in Harvard and Stanford and Yale, Brown, Florida, New York, Texas. But if you want to go to a top 10 university, we can do it for you. And again, we're not going to talk to you in gibberish with voodoo like your teachers at school. We'll explain the math to you in simple terms so that you'll understand it. Not only is the explanation important, but we've got to do something so that you remember it. Because on the exam, when that clock starts ticking, you've got to remember your formulas, for like the area of a circle, or the circumference of a circle, or right triangles. You've got to remember that. Remember, most of the math problems on the SAT exam do not require a pencil. You look at the problem, there's 4 choices, you probably can eliminate 3 of them. We'll teach you how to do it. Okay, when there's no multiple choice, when you just have to write the answer in the box, we'll help you understand that most of the time it's a trick. It's kind of like a brain game. Simple things. Like for example, a triangle has 3 sides. If the base is 8, then these 2 sides have to add up to more than 8. Because if they add up to 8, it's going to fall down, 8 on top of 8. These 2 have to add up to a little bit more than 8 to form that triangle, that little space over there. Okay, a typical SAT question is that. If the base is 8 and this one is 5, what's the minimum of the 3rd side? The answer is anything more than 3. We'll help you understand these things in simple terms. We're not going to talk over you. Okay, we charge $42 an hour for classes. You pay with a transfer. 2 hours are free, the first 2. And then if you want more hours, if you feel we're doing it for you, you'll pay for those 2, 42 and 42, and you'll prepay for more. But we offer you 2 hours for free. Good Skype connection. You need a good Wi-Fi. We'll send you all the material you need for free. Okay, I'm Steve Marcus. We can do it for you. We've been doing it for 11 years now with lots of young people like you from very elite high schools in America or public high schools, private, religious, non-religious, in New York, in California, in Florida, in Tampa, in Miami. They call us and they say, we want classes by Skype with you guys rather than go to an academy near my house or have a teacher come into my house. We do better. We can prove it to you. Give us a chance, okay? You can contact me at 6208-37894, or better, use Skype. My name is levihello, the word Levi, L-E-V-I-H-E-L-L-O, total, all together, levihello. That's my name on Skype. Okay, 2 hours are free, and you'll see that we can do a better job preparing you for the SAT exam in the United States.